G'day folks, it's Rob here. Unfortunately, I haven't been able to upload a clip to YouTube this week, just with the holidays and a few other family matters that have been going on. It's just been a little bit hard to get it all sorted. But I do have a clip that I posted over on Patreon and our YouTube members page for the supporters. Thank you very much, folks. And I thought I'd share that with you. It's just looking at some neglectful watering habits I've had over the last couple of days, and yeah, some other bits and pieces that unfortunately went on in the patch while we've been here at the rental house. So I'll let you have a bit of a look at that. How's it going, folks? As you can see, I've stuffed up. I should have probably come around and watered the plants yesterday. The ginger in particular, or the ginger pouch, is looking really sad. So hopefully I haven't damaged the ginger too much. But the amaranth in here is just absolutely shocking. And ginger over the back as their leaves are curling around a bit. I like this one here, they tend to curl. But the mint will hold on, and the blueberry will hold on as well. So sorry about the shake as well, I don't have my little steady cam with me today. Just to show you a few of the things I'll be harvesting. Some very nice little tomatoes down in there. They'll be coming off today when I go back around. And I think that's pretty much what we'll all be growing from the patch today. Bianca's just making up a bit of a platter, cheese and meats platter for dinner, I think. This ginger here, you can see how it's starting to curl the leaves up. That's pretty much all a sign that it needed a drink. But the amaranth and the hoe and knock over the back there don't look too bad. So I think mainly the size of the plants in there, they just demanded more water. So we'll see how they go. Other than that, the place is looking a bit of a mess. I'm going to have to grab the ladder and come up and grab the whippersnipper or line trimmer and come and do a run around the patch. I don't know if you can tell, but we've got grasshoppers flying everywhere. Whenever I'm walking through the grass, we've got grasshoppers going berserk. So they're well and truly, oh, there's one of the little blighters, well and truly into the patch. This amaranth is doing okay, and the ginger under here, as you've already seen, not doing too well this season. So I dare say they could use a water. This amaranth is growing in the rock beside it. Over at the Aquaponics, if you didn't catch an earlier clip, I was having a few issues with a bit of interveinal chlorosis, or yellowing in between the veins with the hoe and knock. And I think it was due to either a lack of the fish emulsion I was using in the system, either that or a bit of an iron issue. So I dosed up with both the other day. I haven't pulled out the nitrate test to actually do a test, so I probably should do that. And the Okinawan spinach over the back is looking really tatty. And as I did mention in the clip, I'm actually yet to upload yet, I've only edited it. This stuff here will be coming out. I need to uncover this bed here and this bed here, because I will be cleaning out. So if it gets a bit breezy, folks, just waiting for the breeze to die down. I will be cleaning out the Okinawan spinach, and the plants from this bed here will be transplanted into this bed here, and that will be brought back online while I clean out this bed here, because this bed here, as you can probably see down there, there is water always there, even after the bell siphon has finished cycling. So there's a root barrier between there and the drain over the other end. But yeah, look at this hoe and knock. It is looking spectacular. This galangal has gone absolutely gangbusters in here. I don't think it's quite as happy as the soil plants, because the flower heads haven't formed the same. But yeah, interesting all the same. Definitely will be getting a load of root from here, so when we start up the new patch, after we move back in, I'll have loads of root from here that I can plant out. And we've got a couple of the last beetroot we need to harvest, which I'll do in the next week or so, along with another load of chard. So just down the back now, filling up the rest of the beds. And I thought I'd show you this coffee. Absolutely fantastic. Loads of berries set on there, and they're plumping up nicely. So this is one plant I have been pampering, even if we're not watering the patch when we come around here. This thing gets a watering can full of aquaponic, or so-called aquaponic water, just to keep it going, because it's one plant I don't want to lose. And I have visitors. Hello. Hello. Bianca and Lizzie have come around. Hello, Lizzie. Hello. So just, yeah, oops, this one's about to overflow. Sorry for the jerky camera work. Don't drink the coffee water, Lizzie. Yeah, the ginger down the back here is going to be a bit of a saviour because this will see us through. At least give me rooting rhizome that I can use next season if the rest are duds. And I will be harvesting all that finger root. I want to hook into some very soon to try in a meal. And yeah, Bianca's just checking out the squishy timber. So we've had a bit of a fungus or a rot in the top of the hive. I think I've mentioned it before.
It's not just the top, it's in here too.
Yeah, it's in the top box. So this one here, hang on, I've got to pick up a hose. Sorry about that, folks. What we are going to do is replace this box. There's no separator in here, it's just one massive hive because we didn't really want to split it. Yeah, they're coming in and out. So the hive is still very strong and there's a load of bees buzzing around us because I'm right in the middle of the path.
I just got hit in the face.
Did you? So you might be able to see them going through there now.
There we go.
Jeez, loads of them. So it is something we also need to hook into and look after. And as I said, I don't think I will be splitting this hive. We don't really want it for honey, do we, babe?
No.
No. So we'll repair the damaged top section and then maybe add another section on top of that again. So down the track we can then divide it and split it in again. And then that other hive will become a hive just somewhere else. We pop around the yard or swap for another variety. So anyway, I better go back and check this water. Just a little quick note at the end here. Someone has flogged all my testing gear. And I think a brand new thing of that and some other bits and pieces. Not very happy, Jan. All my API test stuff, not the blue lab because it's kept somewhere else. But they haven't touched any of the pumps or the other stuff. So, just a little bit pissed, folks, but I thought I'd add that in there. Yeah, not happy, Jan. Not happy at all. So we won't tell Bianca we're spying on her. Bianca's just working on another script while she's on a couple of weeks off from work. But yeah, I do hope you enjoyed that little bit of an update on what's going on at the patch. And as you can see, yeah, I did miss a watering, and I'm happy to say that those amaranth have bounced back. Not looking as perky as they once were, but yeah, they will provide us with a little bit of shade for the ginger and a couple of leaves here and there. So anyway, I will pretty much wrap it up. Thanks again to all you marvellous folks who are supporting us through Patreon and the YouTube membership page. And I will hopefully have the clip, looking at the renovation posted to YouTube within the next day or so, hopefully before next weekend at least. Anyway, got a few things I need to look after this week. So there you go. Thank you very much for tuning in, folks. I do hope you're all well and happy, and we will catch you later. Cheers. Say goodbye.
Bye.
Bye. See you, folks. G'day, folks. It's stop laughing, Bianca.
Folks, it's
Hairball.